So, come on, no, correct. So, 323, and this is your home now. Wait, wasn't this the old scrapyard? How exactly do you know? I used to work at the scrapyard. I was forced to, or I'll get scrapped. And then big tank engine came to work and saved me. You know, the big tank engine I was talking to. The Genty or the American looking one. The American one. She's my best friend. Well, there'll be more friends for you. Over here. Oh, what have I done now? Yeah, and over here is... Oh. You can meet him. Okay. To the pin. What is wrong with these points? What? This is my sister 323. Why, hello there. Yeah, hi. I'm Steventon's Rocket, but everyone just calls me Steve. And this right here is Mars. You do realize you don't have to speak for me, old boy, but yes, I am Mars. Well, it's very nice to meet you. Hey, Paul, Richard. I just saw a new engine come in the yard. Should we have a peek? Oh, yes. Dennis, would you mind getting it over here to have a chat? Okay, Paul. Thanks, Dennis. Hey, new engine. My friends want to have a chat with you. Dennis, leave us alone. What if I don't want to? Huh? Who's this bitch? That's Dennis. He is the most annoying engine around here. Excuse me, new engine? Did you just swear? Yeah, I did. Got a problem with that? Huh? I'm gonna tell. 323, 323. Our controller. Oh no, doesn't really like us swearing. Noted. Oh. 323. I bought you for a reason. I didn't buy you to swear. Okay? I'm Sir Handel. And if you swear again in your first week, I'll be thinking about selling you, or worse. Yeah, Handel isn't really strict and not really smart sometimes. Sometimes he comes over to us drunk or high or both. Yes, he is like that. I'm gonna tell Dennis and the rest of them what to leave New Engine alone. Oi, oi, can you leave the New Engine alone, please? What new engine? A new engine arrived. You can see her if you want. Those what can't, because they're the most annoying pieces of crap in the universe. Oi! Oi! You can't see the new engine, baby. Ugh. I hate this lot. Screw you too much. I'm pulling a train. Oh, god damn it. Me safety valve. Me safety valve. This is one of the episodes I actually. Oh, I'm switching. This was actually an episode I was actually looking forward to making, not dreading about. Because I just like adding new characters. So yeah. Don't ask why his engine hits on Mars. He's just Mars. He's a Mars bar. The Mars bar, Steve. Of course, I have to have bullies and crap. Years. You gotta have nice engines and mean ones. You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. Thank you for watching this video. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye. 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 Bye.